Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Mabel. If it is your first time of tuning in, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. And also don't forget to like this video. You subscribing to my channel kind of motivate me to put out more video. In today's video, I want to share with you how to get rid of white patches or white spot, and also don't forget to share with your friends on your social network, on social media platform. And white patches are caused as a result of when you excessively bleach your skin by applying harsh chemical above the third shade that is required in skin lightening. The recommended shade for skin lightening is the third shade, and it has to be done in a gradual process, not in a quick and harsh way. Skin lightening procedure involve great patience and consistency. If you know you cannot be patient to achieve the good result that you want, do not undergo skin lightening process. And if you must undergo skin lightening process, ensure you use the organic products. Ensure you use the normal cream, the normal product, not the ash one that bleach up your skin within 2 or 5 days. This kind of damage your skin, the epidermic layer as well as the dermic layer. So you don't want to go there, because at the end of the day it will leave dark patches, it will cause you acne, it will also give you green vein. I won't go into in-depth about this, you can read it up, but best way to get rid of this white patch is, one, you need to stop using the cream that causes you these dark patches. And if you must go into the sun, especially when you apply creams that contain chemicals like organic chemicals like the lemon peel extract that are acid, that got citric acid in them, acidic content, you need to apply some protection cream. And also you need to exfoliate your skin. That will help to get rid of these white patches, any dark patch or acne that might have result as a result of this dark white patches or white spot. White spots, they are not contagious, but they spread quickly all over the body. So for you to stop this, you need to stop what causes it, the cream that you've exposed your skin onto. You need to moisturize your skin with a mild cream. And the best moisturizing cream I will recommend that you use is, it has to have organic product. It has to have oil in it. That is, jojoba oil is very good. Lotus oil is a very amazing oil. And you can also use papaya extract oil or the water from the papaya fruit itself. You can mix it, then you use this first to repair your skin. Do not apply any more harsh chemical on your skin. Allow your skin to breathe. Apply this moisturizing product on your skin. Before you apply it, you also need to exfoliate. You need to take loads and loads of water, and you need to use your sun protection cream. You can also use a steroid or retinol cream. This will also help to remove the outer layer of the skin. So you can also leave it on its own to heal, but it might take weeks or months for it to go because it spreads. Like I said, take loads and loads of water. You can use in the cream that you will use as a repairing cream on your skin. You can add vitamin E. I'm going to be doing a cream next on my next video to get rid of white patches. Thank you so much. Subscribe and bye. In your moisturizer, ensure you add aloe vera, organic aloe vera.